Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a review about this beautiful Panzerkampf helicopter CH-53E. A couple of years ago I already did a review about a CH-53E, but that one was different. You can look it up on my YouTube channel. I have to be honest, I always have a hate-love relationship with Panzerkampf helicopters. On the one hand, they're very beautiful, but sometimes a little bit difficult to assemble. And then I'm talking about the rotor blades, because this is a model that almost comes ready out of the box. They pronounce it as a diecast model, but yeah, I will show you how many diecast there is, metal. Yeah, let's not wait any longer. Let's get started. I was waiting for this model quite a long time and I bought it on Scalecar.eu. Here we got the barcode and article number. There are different variations. This is the gray one, but there is also one in desert camo, woodland camo. Here we have the box. Here we have some information about the helicopter. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. So here is the helicopter. You can see it's well protected in foam. There are some loose parts. As I was saying, it comes almost ready out of the box. We have to open it here. There we go. Okay, we have a plastic protection plate. I'm putting it here on the table. And I have to take this out. Okay, I think I have to. Let's see, here we have the display stand, Super Stallion. Here we also have some some accessories. And I guess here we have the rotor blades. Now, I have to get a tool for this. And maybe a tool to get out the rotor blades. Okay, there we go. Snack. There he is. Wow. Magnificent in 1/72 scale. Now, I have to do this with 2 hands. So, let's see. Put some power on it. Let's start here in the back. Oh, no, 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 no. Definitely not. I think I have to do it like this, because no, that's also not possible. Ah. Jesus Christ. I see already a part that is broken, I think. Or it's just loose. Let's put that right here. There it comes, there it comes. Woo! Yep. Yeah, this one is also broken. I need some glue. I need some glue for that. Yeah. Okay, let's get some glue. Okay, here we got the glue, but this is what I'm talking about, huh? The hate-love relationship I have with Panzerkampf models. There's always something. And it's not big, you can easily fix it. I know it's very common with a lot of these models. And you can fix it. Yes, you can fix it. Oh, there it goes. Little bit of glue. Yeah, there we go. I think that's not a little bit, that is way too much. Yeah, that's way too much. Too much, too much. You took too much. Well, we have to wait till this is dry. Oh no. Back in a sec. Hey, more packages. Ooh. Wow. Ja, dankjewel.
Kijk.
Hoe maakt u het? Dank je, dank je, dank je. Ik heb ze. Ja? Ja, super. Merci. Ja. Dankjewel hè. Hoi. More packages means more reviews. In the meanwhile, this is pretty dry, I think. Yep, you still have to be careful because it's a heavy helicopter. Yeah. Okay, that's a good thing. Let's lower the camera a little bit. Okay, I'm also going to glue this one. It's not broken, it just came off, and I have to put it right here. There it goes, like this. So that has to dry as well. Using this glue, BSI Max Secure, especially for model build kits. Works perfect. Now I'm going to take the rotor blades out. Let's put the model a little bit to the back. There we go. We still have to be careful with the front wheel. So I'm having here are the rotor blades. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope that's enough. Oop, sorry. Then we have the accessories. So you can place the rotor blades flying position, and you can place them like this. Transport storage position. Then we have this one, some sort of radar. Also night vision goggles. And we have to place this one somewhere. And this is for on top, like this. Or with this one is also possible. Okay, let's do this. Let's start with the accessories So I have no idea where this one should come. This one is easy. That's right here. This one here on the side. A little bit of pressure. Yeah. This one, maybe underneath it. I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe I can also place this one, or it's here on top somewhere. No. There's no opening in the back. Would be cool if there was an opening in the back. Forces of Valor should do this model too. And they make sure there is an interior inside. Well, this one has an interior, but no pilots. I have no idea where to put this. Maybe it can also be placed here. I don't know. I don't see any extra holes, and same for this one. I have no idea. I'm looking on the picture if I see something, but no. No. So this is it for now. I'm going further with the rotor blades, and I'm doing it like this. So I'm going to take this one, flying position. Yeah. My biggest hate-love relationship with Panzerkampf is with the rotor blades. Okay, but now this is an easy fix. This is an easy fix. I think they improved. Yep, also, oh, fantastic. This is good news. Perfect. There we go. Big rotor blades, by the way. In real life, this thing is huge. One of the biggest helicopters in the world flying around nowadays. Unfortunately, I've never seen it. I know Germany flies with these helicopters, but also in Germany, I've never seen one. Not this one. Okay. Then we place this one right here. And then we place it on top. I think it has to be like this. Yeah? Or is it in the other position? That is also possible, of course. I think it's like this. Yeah. It is like this. I was wrong. Yeah. Now it's also rotating. Not super good, but that's also with the other models from Panzerkampf. Heavy model. So what is die-cast and what's not? This here, the model itself is all made out of metal. It's a little bit difficult to show now. Here, this is all metal, and yeah, of course, these parts are plastic, but a lot of it is metal. I'm impressed by this one. Unfortunately, there's no opening part here in the back, like I was saying. But it's also a little bit weathered. I like that. It is really, really, really cool. I'm glad I bought one. Rotor blades are also easy to put on. Yeah, that was the word that I was looking for. Okay, a little bit of rusty, I like that. Cables, wheels are okay. Yeah, broken wheel unfortunately, but I fixed it. Let's turn it around. You still have to be very careful with this model. Whoa. That's plastic. Plastic. This is also plastic, but this here all is metal. Is this rotating? Yes, but not super good. What a beast. Now let's give it a nice place with some figures, and then we can compare it with a Leopard tank. Yes, also in a 172 scale. Why not? And what is a better way to display this model on this beautiful aircraft diorama? Looks fantastic. There we got the pilots. I think they're not official Sikorsky pilots. And yes, I got another one right here. This one is in a 144 scale. Also did a review about this one. This one is from S14, a fantastic diecast model. And the part in the back is open. Did a review about this one. You can look it up on my YouTube channel. So you can see the two next together. And then how about the size with an F16 model? F16 is from Forces of Valor. Did a review about it. Definitely worth the money. And how about a Leopard tank? Then you can see how enormous this helicopter is. And you can already see it with the figures. Yeah, very difficult to make a video about such a model like this. I'm better with Diecast Cars. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and share. You really help me with that. Are there more aircraft models coming? Yes, definitely. For now, I have to say, have a very good day. And I am back in the future with more diecast. Bye.